So, how does one test for COVID-19? To make things more interesting, since I am from Hong Kong, let me tell you how we are testing people for COVID-19. According to the World Health Organization, some people may develop other symptoms such as shortness of breath, aches, sore throat, diarrhea, nausea, a runny nose. Two types of tests are done in Hong Kong, an antigen test and an antibody test. You can take these tests anytime you want. Just walk up to a clinic and they'll tell you what to do. The antigen test, also known as the Polymerase Chain reaction, or the PCR test, detects the sequence of the virus RNA and is highly accurate. To get a PCR test, you will need to provide your respiratory samples. Doctors may take your nasal swab at a clinic, or you can collect your deep throat saliva sample at home and bring it to a clinic.
Nothing like sticking a swab down your throat and collecting your saliva, am I right?
All the samples need to be sent to a centralized lab in a public hospital in Hong Kong for analysis. The test costs £5 and getting your results takes 2 to 3 days. One will receive a message about your results from the Hong Kong Health Authority. Hong Kong can conduct at least 2,000 deep throat saliva samples every day. Pretty impressive. Since scientists shared the genetic information about the virus globally in January, labs around the world can now identify the genes of the virus in patients' samples. Meanwhile, the antibody test detects your immunity response to the virus. If you were infected earlier, you would have developed antibodies to it. This is less accurate than the PCR test. In Hong Kong, tests are available at government general outpatient clinics and some private clinics. So let's get testing, fellas. Thank you for listening to my super exciting talk. See you next time and goodbye. Goodbye.